Isaac. Grandma Suzanne here. And who do you think? Munchie. Munchie's right here. You have to see her face because she's beautiful. See? Oh, she's burrowing a little more in this warm bed. Is that a face? Is that a face? Is that a face? Is that a face? She's a beauty bird. And who do you think is right here? That's right. Your buddy Hamilton. And Munchie. And Malcolm's over there. And we're going to read a book. And the book is called Like a Wolf by Geraldine Elshchner, illustrated by Antoine Guillaume. Or Guillaume, don't know how to pronounce it. This is the book, and it's called Like a Wolf. Munchie's very glad that it's like a wolf because she doesn't necessarily want a wolf nearby when she's sleeping. Can you see the city lights? Like the big city of New York. Like a wolf. Look at all those people walking their dogs on leashes. Handsome dogs. Different shapes of dogs. Getting over a cold. Pointed ears, sharp teeth, a back slightly bent under dark fur, wide eyes, always checking, always on alert. This is what I looked like, just like a wolf, people said. Around my neck, a collar. On the collar, a chain. The chain attached to a stake, deeply sunk in concrete. A high fence all around, a roof made of metal, a rusty dish, and now and then an old bone to chew. This is where I lived. No one came near me. No one dared. My only wish was to be far away from here, and to jump through the fields, and every now and then to feel a friendly hand on my fur, like Munchie's feeling right now. Sad and lonely, I howled every night at the moon. Listen, he howls like a wolf, said the neighbors. He doesn't belong here. Munchie belongs here. Considered too loud and too wild, I ended up here, locked in this old kennel. There was a number around my neck and a cage with iron bars that stole the sun from me. Every day people passed by, men, mothers, grandmas, and children, all looking for something cute. A good little doggie, not a dog that looks like a wolf. I tried to be calm, ears back, sitting still, but it didn't help. They wouldn't stop for me. Not a word, not a look. Would I stay forever? Would I stay here forever, alone in this hole? When night fell, I cried and howled even more. Until one day, when the sun was high, a man appeared, the size of a tree. He stopped and looked me deep and long. Then he stepped closer, reached his hand through the bars, and slowly he patted me on the head. Patted me on the back. I closed my eyes. How gentle his hand was in my gray fur. When the door opened, I looked up at the man. He came to me, a bright look, a smile. In his hand, a stick, but not for hitting. "You look like a real shepherd dog," he said. It sounded like a promise. I sat up, stretched my back, and followed him. Now, from morning till night, I walk through meadows and fields, running and jumping and tending my sheep. At night, under the stars, when our herd sleeps, I am beside my shepherd, and I sing to the moon. Finally, I am what I was meant to be, a good dog. Now, if you look closely, you can see the trees and the crescent moon. Tonight's a crescent. Whoops. It wasn't quite quick enough. Let me show you that last page. And you see that the wolf and the shepherd, and you see all the sheep, their heads and ears. So the dog is on guard duty, sort of, and he's keeping watch over everything. And he loves it. There's the final page. Like a wolf. I like this book. Okay, little guy, see you soon. Have a very nice night. I love you. Bye-bye.